This is Springwell's Court down to the bridge site.
Got it. That's a great route to take for capturing the bridge's construction. The view should be interesting from here, especially as the work progresses. How's the scene looking from the street level?
Can you tell us the date for the viewers?
Sure. Today's date is February 17th, 2025.
So what are they working on now at the bridge site?
Right now at the Gordie Howe International Bridge site, the focus is likely on finishing the bridge's structural elements. This includes working on the main towers, cable installation, and the decking that will support the lanes of traffic. They may also be fine-tuning the approach ramps and related infrastructure, which will connect the bridge to the highway systems on both sides of the border. Since construction is moving toward the final stages, a lot of attention will be on the cable stayed system, which requires precise coordination. You might also see more paving and landscaping work on both sides of the bridge as they prepare for its opening in 2025.
There's a gap here at the bridge deck and between the main span and the back span. Is that for adjusting the stay cables?
Yes, the gap you're seeing between the main span and the PAX, post-tensioned anchor cable system span, is likely designed for adjustments related to the stay cables. During the construction of cable-stayed bridges, it's common to have a gap like this in the deck to allow for proper tensioning and adjustment of the cables as they are installed and secured. These gaps allow engineers to gradually adjust the cable tension to ensure the bridge deck remains balanced and properly aligned. It's a crucial part of the process for ensuring the structure's stability and that everything stays in place once the bridge is fully operational.
Do you know what the tolls will be for the Gordie Howe Bridge?
As of now, the exact toll rates for the Gordie Howe International Bridge haven't been set. The Windsor-Detroit Bridge Authority plans to establish them closer to the bridge's opening in 2025.
Okay, well, thank all the viewers for watching the video.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the tour of the Gordie Howe International Bridge site. Stay tuned for more updates and footage as the bridge continues to take shape.
Perfect.